Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Mary Stacker wants to calculate its maximum growth rate where its existing capital structure, debt to equity, is maintained constant. The rate is defined as what? So what do we call the rate where we want to achieve the maximum growth without upsetting our capital structure, debt to equity ratio? Is it A, sustainable growth rate, internal growth rate, rate of return on asset, and retention rate? Let's remove the easy ones. What's the retention rate? The retention rate is what you keep from your retained earnings. So if you have $100 in net income, if you paid dividend of 20% dividend, what's left is 80%, and this is called the retention rate or the plowback number. The retention rate is used in different formula, but it's not the rate. It's not the maximum growth rate, so D is out. Return on asset is net income divided by average asset. And I hope you know this. Average asset is beginning plus ending asset, or year 1 plus year 2 divided by 2. It's not return on asset. What we're left with is the internal growth rate and the sustainable growth rate. And this whole lesson was about those two topics, internal growth rate versus sustainable growth rate. What is the internal growth rate? The internal growth rate is the maximum growth rate you can achieve as a company without looking for outside financing, without calling the bank, without calling private equity firm, without calling your finance people to spend more money into the company. That's called the internal growth rate. That's not the rate. Here we want to grow, but not without calling someone outside, keeping debt to equity maintained the same. This is called the sustainable growth rate. The sustainable growth rate is the maximum growth rate that can be achieved without upsetting, without changing our debt to equity. Keep debt to equity constant. It means if we add more debt, we're adding more equity from retained earning, but keeping that rate constant. Therefore, the answer is A. A is the sustainable growth, is the maximum growth rate that can be achieved with no external equity while maintaining debt to equity. Means we don't want to issue new stocks, but we are willing to issue new debt as long as the new debt keep the debt to equity constant. And this is what we explain in depth in this session, how to compute this, the meaning of it, the benefit of it. What should you do now? Whether you are a student or studying for a professional certification, the best investment you can make that no one can take from you is to go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, multiple choice, exercises, AI tools that will help you prepare for your exam. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.